What do you fear the most? I asked 20 people what they feared the most, and none of them said they fear crime as much as they fear not having enough money. That fear controls your decisions, your health, and your sleep, and just everything in your life. And I believe that is why so many South Africans are falling victims to pyramid schemes and quick money. Dewpoint has been giving hope to South Africans since 2016. Legal, licensed, based in Bryanston, and established by South Africans for South Africans. If you are tired of being paid today and having nothing tomorrow, WhatsApp me 062 175 0825, and I promise to share the free information with you that got me started. Let me help you. I'm looking forward to hearing from you.